Tim, this ain't your granddaddy's warehouse anymore.
Our biggest customer was running out of space. So we decided that we needed to either find space or build space. And it became pretty quickly clear to us that building space was the way for us to go.
Our business continues to grow. It's critical to us to be able to feed it into one location and then be able to get the distribution out of the one rather than pulling from here, pulling from there. We have raw materials all over the country. There are onions from Idaho or spinach from Oregon. Well, they can handle not only the freezing of the product, the storage with their computer system and their picking system, the quality of their people, then they get the right product on the right truck going to the right place in good condition. And that's critical, that it be in good condition.
Some of the challenges, obviously space. You know, they're landlocked, and we were able to figure out the right area to demo and build a state-of-the-art facility for them.
The facility that we're standing in right now was a former dry facility. So we had the opportunity to demo the dry facility. We had the existing footprint here, which is about 100,000 square feet. So with that footprint, we were able then to design a facility that provided about 14,000 pallet positions.
The complexity and challenges of their project. It was an active operation that required tearing down an existing building that had asbestos. The challenge was connecting the new build to an existing lower roof line with a fully operational dry warehouse. Plus, they needed to obtain a fire protection variance, adding smoke and heat vents, while working with an existing sprinkler system in the rest of the building. Using the same footprint in a section of the building, Tippmann Innovation increased capacity from less than 5,000 pallets to over 8,000 pallets. Here are the exact specs.
When Tim called us, we had already worked for Tim for 5-6 years. We'd installed the quick freeze, the in-rack freezing system, and Tim knew that we had the operations talent also to help him lay out the facility, provide the correct amount of pallet positions that he would need, and also provide a construction opportunity, an opportunity to build the facility.
Our team of IA-CSC members consists of these vendors and suppliers.
Our strength is in our innovation. So we've implemented 3 key areas in our warehouse that have revolutionized the way we do business for our customers. Instead of blast freezing, we quick freeze using the QF Plus system. Since 2011, Tippmann Innovation's patented state-of-the-art technology allows us to freeze product consistently in half the time of traditional blast freezers. We created a room dedicated to efficiency. We call it the D-Space room, and it's where we can semi-automatically remove the spacers and wrap the pallets before loading them into the racks. We were able to eliminate 4 full-time employees from that process. We needed more storage, a lot more storage, but we were landlocked. Our solution was to move in and go up with high-density racking. HDR, along with our pallet shuttle technology, allows us to store more product and have faster throughput than traditional racking. These 3 changes, installing the QF Plus system, D-Space room, and high-density racking have truly taken our company to the next level.
With Tippmann, our relationship is about 5 years old. It started off with them putting our quick freeze system in. Sam Tippmann particularly, and Dan Tippmann and Rob Adams, we hit it off. And so it comes down to relationships and trust. I can trust them, and I didn't have to go bid it out with other companies. So I made one phone call, they were out here, and we had drawings within a few days, and the ball started rolling a year ago, and here we are, new freezer.
TI replaced 80,000 square feet of very old cut-up dry space and installed state-of-the-art, temperature-controlled space. Tippmann Innovation has a long-standing relationship with Merchandise Warehouse. The old evaporator, condenser, and other equipment that was replaced had originally been installed by Dan and Sam Tippmann's father back in the 1980s. Daily and weekly meetings were held with Merchandise Warehouse to make sure expectations were being met and to offer innovative solutions. Tippmann Innovation made significant changes to the building design and refrigerated system to accommodate high-density racking without negatively impacting the schedule. How did they do this? Their versatile building layout that accommodates varying rack designs. They remediated contaminated soil issues, procured a tax rebate for Merchandise Warehouse's energy savings by using the QF Plus system, and qualified Merchandise Warehouse as a processor based on the amount of freezing they perform and helped them claim tax credits.
In this industry, our biggest expense besides labor is energy. And so I knew from talking to Dan Tippmann that we were going to get the best as far as energy management, and our power bill is projected at a fraction of what we're spending with the older system that we have on the other side of the facility.
Tippmann Innovation installed LED lighting, variable frequency drives on condenser fans. The building was built in a depressed area of the city. The pallet pass-through system has high-speed doors that innovatively open just higher than the pallet. The pallet pass-through system reduced the heat load by 40 tons of refrigeration.